Morning guys. Alright, we just got to Convict Lake and it looks so magical. It's so peaceful, so calm, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. Danny's on the phone to porn star Riley Reid and he's trying to be subtle about it, so I'm gonna go listen in.
Who was that, mate? Who was that?
He's going on a f***ing date with her. You are doing it, aren't you?
Hey. Danny met Riley Reid, and now him and Riley Reid have been talking, and apparently they're going on a date.
Riley Reid is the most famous porn star on the planet right now. She's multi-millionaire, and she's hot as f***.
So why does she want to go on a date with you?
I don't know. She said she's going to send me some places that we can go. And
What is going on? Obviously, she hasn't seen the sexier brother yet, so...
This is how far along we are. Last night, Danny was supposed to call her. He didn't call her back, and this morning, she has sent him broken heart emojis. Head over heels.
No, if I was head over heels, I would have called her last night.
You are
you're trying to play hard to get.
What she usually deals with. What she will be dealing with tonight.
If this wasn't a big deal, she would go to a low-key restaurant. She's taking you to where celebrities go for dinner.
Riley, Remy, are you jealous, Remy?
No, I'm just stoked for him. But I know for a fact, he's like downplaying like, I'm not going to go home with it. I know for a fact. Look me in the eye.
But Dan, if you're running out of stamina, you can tag me in at any moment. I'll be right there. For you. That's for you, man. You have to vlog it. It's for the fans. Admit it, Remy. You're fucking jealous.
I'm not jealous. I just want to live vicariously through you. I just want to experience what you're experiencing. Anyway, I'm going to meet you guys at the house.
The fuck?
Yeah, look, Danny, all I say is, don't get attached. Oh, Rem, look, there's a snowman.
How are we gonna get the car out now? How are we gonna get the car out now?
It's not our car.
Well, that's not our car.
That's our car.
Oh.
Danny, what the fuck's Michael doing?
I don't know, sir. Michael, what are you doing? He's tanning.
Fucking hell, how nuts would it be if someone jumped in?
I'll do it.
Are you being serious? Michael, did you hear what you said? He said he's gonna jump in.
I didn't hear him, because I'm jumping in.
I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one.
Like, I'm in pain right now. My hands are hurting.
Yeah, I'm like freezing and I'm like got 5 layers on.
Oh no. Boys, the snow turns to ice. That's how cold it is. It turns to ice.
Hey, Jackson, this is a real silly salmon.
No. Oh my god.
Danny, come in!
You right, Vic?
No.
I think me and Michael just had a twin telepathy moment. As soon as he jumped in, my hands started freezing. Literally. So I pretty much jumped in as well.
Alright guys, so there's a massive snowstorm at the moment. How bad do you think it would be up there, Rem?
10 out of 10 bad.
We're supposed to be staying inside because the storm's so bad. We're going to go out and see how bad it really is. We are on the second story right now. Look how high the snow has gotten. Look. So 90% of the roads have closed and apparently the wind gets up to 250 kilometers per hour.
Nothing we can't handle.
Alright everyone. We are in the middle of nowhere trying to find...
A hot creek.
This was all Remy's idea.
Don't pull this shit on me. I was like, is this too dangerous? Should we turn back? And your words. What are we, pussies? So we're doing it, even if we die.
We've been out
Dude,
here...
there's someone coming after us.
Hey, so you're blocking my fucking driveway. What the hell? You're parked right in the middle of the road. Nobody can get by. Go back and move your fucking car.
Okay.
God damn it.
Everyone's really nice here in Mammoth Lakes.
Yeah.
We've been walking for how long now?
40 minutes.
Look how high above the fucking ground we are. That is a full gate. There is no trail that we can see. We're just guessing, basically. Remy had to go back because the hillbilly said, don't block my fucking driveway. We didn't bring any water, but thankfully, God has blessed us with his own drink. Ah! Shelter. What is it?
A toilet with no water.
Oh. This is so much funner in Red Dead Redemption where you could sludge through the snow, but you know, warm in the couch. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a 2-hour hike that just is not worth the view.
It's not good, Nick.
What?
When we were hiking, it was 60% chance of snow. It's 100% on from now on. And it's going to be 4 degrees colder than what we just had. Minus 12. Should we call for help?
You reckon we'll survive?
I got no reception anyway, actually.
Okay, that's good.
Oh my god. This is the worst decision ever. It's a good way to go.
Oh, what? In a fucking bathroom next to Jackson's content. All I can say is, Rem, it's gonna be a long walk back. We're completely fucked and lost. We're dead. I think we're gonna die here. So, adios, amigos. Wait, look at it. Ah, we can see a sign just up ahead. Can you see it?
Nope. Don't trust you.
We would have died if we didn't have my phone. I can't even talk.
Well, now we know what it's like to be trapped in the snow, huh?
Bro, I honestly thought we were gonna die. Actually.
All I can say is that was an adventure.
Remy Brand pretends that he's a nature photographer. This is Remy before entering the snow. This is Remy after the snow. Remy when he realizes he's bit off more than he can chew.
Nothing we can't handle.
Help! Remember me, you son of a bitch! Whoa! The fucking dog returns.
I called you. I said, are you coming or not? And
No,
didn't
you
reply.
didn't.
I did. I 100% did.
Is that the world's ugliest snowman?
What the fuck is that?
You dogged out twice. We've
No,
tried
I
to shoot
literally
like
tried to
4
wake
different
you up
things.
like 4 times.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. You...
Guys?
Fuck, dude, it was right here.
Yeah, spooky.
Yeah. Spooky.
Danny, we have to check out of this hotel and look outside. Oh, what the fuck? I don't think we're going anywhere. What's gonna happen? How do we get out of here?
Yeah, I don't know.
There was nothing here last night.
So what does this mean, Remy?
It means we're stuck here for another day.
Oh.
Oh, Sam! Sam!
Hello?
Yuki Torma wa orro okusan to ne toriagattaんだ